Guys, this is supposed to be part 2. My game shipped out for some reason. It says there's a quick you. Okay, let's just go watch YouTube. To try not to laugh video.
What happens when you skip?
Y'all wanna see me upload a video right now? Oh, where's my microphone? Where is my damn microphone? I should not be showing this. Microphone. Okay. Let's get into, shall we? Okay. Wait, honestly, everybody knows this song. I'm gonna sing along.
Welcome to Wonderland, we've got it all. Potions and pastries that make you grow tall. Forests and cottages, castles and cards that can talk. Welcome to Wonderland, look where you're at. Maddest of hatters, the Cheshire Cat. Magical cabins and lovely white rabbits.
I just realized, this is not what, the one with the yellow brick road. I don't remember. What around Wallace Land, or whatever it's called. This is what is basically off of. Okay, let's see, the other one. See if anybody knows this one. Yeah, it's basically this.
Hello, come in. Welcome to the freak show. Take your seat, but don't look out the windows. The monsters like to jump out of the dark. Buckle up, cause this is just the start. Smoking mirrors, never trust what you see. They feast on your fears.
This is some pretty good animation, man. Oh, good grief. Oh my god. Oh my good grief. This is Wonderland, where your dreams come true. Look how they come and get you. Oh, this is Wonderland, where your dreams seeps. On the silver reed, so this is Wonderland. Wonderland,
Where all your
dreams come true.
You gotta go get yours before they come get
You,
you.
so this is Wonderland.
When nothing's
As it seems.
they toss you up and smash you
On
down
the
the
street. This is Wonderland. Oh, you drink. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. There's 4 children, and there's now 3. What happened? Or was it? Oh, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 5. I miscounted. There's 5 children, and there's 3 left. I guess they ran into the train before them. You don't see Wonderland. Oh, Boxy Boo! It's Boxy Boo! Ooh, Project Playtime. I'm definitely not gonna play that. It's creepy as if. Anybody know this meme? The light skin stare, whatever, I can't pronounce it. Sin was a meteor. Who cares? Random memes on my phone. Ah! Okay. Does anyone I don't. This song is Okay, people probably know this. From right here, people probably know this. Nothing, don't stay. I don't wanna see you with you again. Nothing. Who cares? Is anyone singing? I want to know if anyone's singing along in the chat. How did I call? I called it. I was saying don't you will remember me. Remember me. I was saying it's all you can take. My favorite. Oh, sing along, everybody. Sing along. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need. Ooh, when the reaper takes my life, never gonna get out of life. I'm in life. Ooh, my patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? I got this feeling in my soul that I'm losing all control. This is magic in my bones. I got this feeling in my soul that I'm losing all control. This is magic in my bones. Dynamite, black or right, that was right. Ooh, circling, the patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? I got this feeling in my soul, and I'm losing all control. This is magic in my bones. Ooh, what's the short? That's impossible. Wait a minute. Orange got caught by the PB glitch virus. Help me, I'm dying. I'm not actually. I'm just saying. Oh my freaking goodness, no. Oh, I didn't even see that it. Oh, it did. I thought it came off. I'll probably know this. Listen closely. If you can even hear this, I don't know. I am not the god I am. Worse. Does anyone want to hear anything annoying? Well, I don't care. Frick you. Okay, nothing's happening actually. I was joking. Psych. Not effective. I said not effective. I said freaking not effective. Not effective.